You don't really notice it. Until one day, you struggle to stand up from a chair. Maybe your legs feel wobbly after a short walk, or you catch yourself avoiding stairs. The truth is, your legs are the first to weaken as you age, and when they go, independence starts slipping away. But here's the miracle. The right foods can keep your legs strong, steady, and full of life, even into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. And today, I'll show you 4 powerful everyday foods that act like fuel for your legs and your freedom. If you care about staying strong, walking with ease, and living independently, please tap subscribe and give this video a like. Share it with someone you love too. This channel is all about helping you stay strong, sharp, and free for life. Let's grow stronger together. Wild-caught salmon is one of the most important foods for protecting leg strength as the body ages. It contains key nutrients that support muscle, joint, and bone health, all of which are essential for staying steady on your feet. As muscle mass naturally declines with age, especially in the legs, the body needs more help from food to hold on to strength. Salmon provides that help in a simple, nourishing form. Its rich content of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly EPA and DHA, offers powerful anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is a major cause of joint pain and stiffness. In older adults, especially in the knees and hips, studies have shown that omega-3s may help reduce joint tenderness and increase mobility. When inflammation is lowered, movement becomes easier, walking feels smoother, and balance improves. This is especially helpful for those with arthritis or early signs of joint degeneration where pain and swelling can limit leg use. In addition to omega-3s, wild-caught salmon delivers a complete source of protein. Each serving supplies the kind of protein the body needs to rebuild and maintain leg muscles. As aging muscles become less efficient at processing protein, it's important to get it from high-quality, easily absorbable sources. Protein from salmon helps prevent sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle with age, by feeding the muscles directly with what they need to stay firm and functional. Vitamin D, another critical nutrient found in wild salmon, supports both muscle and bone health. Many older adults have low levels of vitamin D, which has been linked to muscle weakness and a higher risk of falls. Vitamin D helps the body absorb calcium, a mineral essential for keeping bones strong enough to support the lower body. With both nutrients present in one food, salmon offers protection for the entire leg structure, from the deepest bone to the outermost muscle. One of the reasons salmon works so well for seniors is because it's gentle on the digestive system. It's soft, easy to chew, and doesn't cause the heaviness or discomfort that some meats or processed proteins can bring. For older adults who struggle with appetite or digestion, salmon offers a nourishing solution without the burden of a heavy meal. Doctors and nutritionists often recommend wild-caught salmon specifically because it tends to have a better balance of nutrients and fewer contaminants than farmed varieties. It can be baked, broiled, or lightly pan-seared for a meal that's both simple and effective in supporting lower body strength. Adding salmon to the diet 2 to 3 times a week gives the legs a steady supply of support, nutrients that help reduce pain, restore strength, and keep the body moving freely. Greek yogurt, especially the unsweetened, full-fat variety, is an excellent choice for seniors looking to maintain muscle mass, bone density, and overall health. Packed with high-quality protein, calcium, and probiotics, it offers a range of benefits, particularly for those who may not be as active as they once were. As muscle mass naturally declines with age, Greek yogurt can help counteract this loss by providing the essential nutrients needed to preserve muscle and prevent further wasting. Protein is one of the most important nutrients for maintaining muscle strength. As people age, they may not get enough protein to support muscle repair and growth, leading to a condition known as sarcopenia. This condition results in muscle weakness and decreased mobility, which can make it harder to stay active. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein, offering a concentrated dose that helps to repair and rebuild muscle tissue. The protein in Greek yogurt also helps with muscle recovery, which is crucial for seniors who may find themselves fatigued after simple daily activities. By regularly incorporating Greek yogurt into their diet, seniors can help slow the natural muscle loss that comes with aging and keep their muscles strong for longer. Calcium, another vital nutrient in Greek yogurt, plays an essential role in bone health. As we age, bone density tends to decrease, increasing the risk of fractures and conditions like osteoporosis. Greek yogurt provides a significant amount of calcium, which is necessary for maintaining strong and dense bones. For seniors, getting enough calcium is critical, as it helps to prevent bone loss and maintain structural integrity. Calcium from Greek yogurt is also easier to absorb, especially when combined with the probiotics it contains. This absorption is vital because calcium needs to be efficiently absorbed by the body to be effective in preventing bone-related issues. Probiotics, the live bacteria found in Greek yogurt, support digestive health, which in turn improves nutrient absorption. As the digestive system ages, it may not function as well as it used to, leading to issues with nutrient breakdown and absorption. Probiotics help by balancing the gut microbiome, which enhances digestion and allows the body to better absorb important nutrients, including calcium and protein. When seniors have a healthier gut, they are able to utilize the nutrients from their food more efficiently, ensuring that their body gets the most out of what they eat. This is especially important for seniors who may have trouble with nutrient absorption due to various digestive issues. In addition to muscle and bone support, Greek yogurt helps with recovery. After exertion, whether it's from physical activity or just everyday movement, the body needs time to repair itself. The combination of protein, calcium, and probiotics in Greek yogurt accelerates the recovery process, helping muscles recover faster and reducing the risk of soreness or stiffness. For seniors, faster recovery means better mobility and less discomfort, which can improve quality of life. Greek yogurt provides a simple and convenient way to support the body's natural healing processes without the need for complex supplements or medications. Greek yogurt is also easy to digest and gentle on the stomach, which is important for seniors who may have sensitive digestive systems. It is a versatile food that can be incorporated into various meals and snacks, making it a practical and enjoyable addition to any diet. The unsweetened, full-fat variety offers healthy fats that support overall health, including hormone production and absorption of fat-soluble vitamins like vitamin D, which is also important for bone health. Incorporating Greek yogurt into a daily routine is a simple yet effective way for seniors to maintain muscle mass, support bone density, and enhance overall recovery. Whether used in smoothies, added to salads, or enjoyed on its own, Greek yogurt is a nutrient-dense food that offers multiple health benefits. By including this food in the diet, seniors can ensure that they are providing their bodies with the necessary tools to stay strong, healthy, and active for as long as possible. Kale and spinach are two of the most powerful leafy greens for keeping legs strong and functional in later life. They contain a unique blend of nutrients that directly support muscle performance, blood circulation, and bone strength, all of which tend to decline with age. Regularly eating these greens helps protect against leg cramps, weakness, and poor blood flow, which are common issues for people over 50. One of the standout nutrients in kale and spinach is magnesium. This mineral plays a vital role in muscle contraction and relaxation. When magnesium levels are low, the muscles in the legs can cramp or twitch involuntarily, especially at night. Seniors are more prone to magnesium deficiency because of reduced absorption with age and certain medications that deplete this mineral. Including leafy greens daily helps restore a healthy magnesium level, supporting smoother, more controlled leg movement and fewer painful spasms. These greens are also packed with vitamin K, a nutrient essential for bone metabolism and strength. Bones in the lower body, especially the hips and knees, bear the weight of the body and are vulnerable to fractures as density decreases with age. Vitamin K helps activate proteins that are needed to bind calcium into the bone matrix, making the skeleton more resilient. Some studies have shown that low vitamin K intake is linked to higher fracture risk in older adults, while regular consumption of leafy greens improves bone density over time. Natural nitrates found in kale and spinach have a special role in improving circulation. When digested, these nitrates convert into nitric oxide, a molecule that widens blood vessels and helps deliver more oxygen to the muscles. Better blood flow means the leg muscles receive more of what they need to stay energized and recover after walking or climbing stairs. Inadequate circulation, especially in the legs, can cause heaviness, fatigue, and even contribute to peripheral artery disease in seniors. Doctors often recommend nitrate-rich vegetables to help keep the blood moving and reduce these risks. Spinach and kale also provide a modest but useful amount of calcium. Unlike dairy, which can be hard to digest for some older adults, leafy greens offer a gentler source of this mineral. Calcium is necessary for muscle contractions and bone mineralization. When consumed in combination with vitamin K and magnesium, as naturally occurs in these greens, it becomes more effective at supporting the leg's structural integrity. Because of their low calorie content and high nutrient density, kale and spinach can be eaten daily without concern for weight gain or blood sugar spikes. They're easy to prepare and can be included in salads, soups, or lightly sautéed. A daily serving helps build up a steady reserve of vitamins and minerals that feed the muscles and bones of the lower body. According to nutrition researchers, seniors who eat more dark leafy greens have better mobility scores and are less likely to experience falls. A salad a day truly can help delay or even prevent the need for walking aids. With nutrients that reach deep into the legs, from circulation to strength to flexibility, kale and spinach work quietly but powerfully to keep the body standing tall. Lentils, whether red or green, are a powerhouse of nutrition, making them an excellent choice for seniors aiming to keep their legs strong and functional. These legumes are an affordable, plant-based protein source that provides essential nutrients like iron and fiber, both of which support muscle repair and overall leg health. For seniors experiencing fatigue or weakness in the legs, lentils can be a simple but effective way to help restore energy and prevent further decline. Iron, a key nutrient found in lentils, plays a crucial role in oxygen transport throughout the body. As people age, iron levels can drop, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, weakness, and difficulty moving the legs. Iron is essential for the production of hemoglobin, a protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to muscles and tissues. When there's insufficient oxygen reaching the muscles, they can become weak and sluggish, especially in the legs. Lentils provide a rich source of iron, helping ensure that the blood can deliver the oxygen needed to keep the leg muscles strong and energized. In addition to iron, lentils are high in fiber, which helps improve circulation and digestive health. As the body ages, digestive efficiency tends to decline, making it more difficult to absorb nutrients from food. The fiber in lentils supports better digestion and encourages a healthy gut, which plays a vital role in nutrient absorption. When the digestive system functions optimally, the body is better able to access the vitamins and minerals necessary for muscle maintenance and overall vitality. Fiber also supports blood sugar regulation, which helps avoid the energy crashes that can leave the legs feeling heavy and fatigued. Lentils are also an excellent source of plant-based protein, which is essential for repairing muscle tissue. As seniors experience age-related muscle loss, known as sarcopenia, it becomes more important to ensure that muscles are receiving enough protein to stay strong and functional. The protein in lentils provides the building blocks needed to repair and maintain muscle fibers, helping prevent further weakness in the legs. Whether used in soups, salads, or stews, lentils provide a filling and nutritious way to support muscle health without adding heavy, hard-to-digest animal proteins. Another advantage of lentils is their ability to help improve how oxygen flows. through the bloodstream. By promoting better blood circulation, lentils help keep the muscles well fed with oxygen, which is necessary for sustained activity. This is particularly important for seniors who may experience limited mobility or who are at risk for circulation issues such as peripheral artery disease. By regularly consuming lentils, seniors can support their circulatory system and improve the oxygen supply to the legs, helping reduce the feeling of fatigue or heaviness that often accompanies poor circulation. In addition to being nutritionally beneficial, lentils are also easy on the budget and gentle on the digestive system. They are inexpensive compared to many animal-based protein sources, making them a cost-effective option for seniors who are trying to maintain a healthy diet without breaking the bank. Lentils are also easy to cook and don't require much preparation, making them a convenient choice for seniors with limited time or energy for meal preparation. Doctors and nutrition experts often recommend incorporating lentils into a balanced diet for older adults looking to preserve leg strength and prevent fatigue. Regular consumption of lentils helps ensure that the body receives the protein, iron, and fiber it needs to support muscle recovery, improve circulation, and keep the legs strong and functional. With their affordability, ease of digestion, and powerful nutritional benefits, lentils are an essential food for anyone aiming to keep their legs in good condition as they age.